In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace the images in Pitch.com templates. Let's dive straight in and make sure your presentations look their absolute best. First, head over to Pitch.com. Make sure you're logged into your account because that's where all your presentation magic happens. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of all your presentations. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry. You can use any existing template to follow along with the instructions. Next, click on the presentation where you want to replace an image. This will open it up in the editing mode. Take a moment here to look through the slides and find the one where you want to make the change. Pitch provides a straightforward user interface, which makes it easy to navigate through your presentation. Once you've located the right slide, click on the image or logo you wish to replace. Selecting the image will highlight it, and a small toolbar should pop up either right above it or within the context menu on the side. This is where all the editing options for the image will become accessible. Now in that menu, look for an option that says Replace. It's usually pretty prominent, designed to be easily recognizable so you don't miss it. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Pitch gives you the flexibility to either upload a new image from your device or pick one from the integrations it supports, like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even directly from an online resource, depending on the integrations you've enabled. When you click on Replace, you'll see options to either choose an image that's already in your library or to browse through images from your connected integrations. If you have a specific image saved in your library, you can select it quickly. Alternatively, if you're searching for something new, explore the integrated sources that Pitch beautifully connects with, making sure you have a wealth of choices at your fingertips. Once the image is selected, it should automatically update on your slide. Take a moment to reposition or resize it if necessary to ensure it fits perfectly with your presentation design. Pitch allows you enough control over the layout so that your presentation remains cohesive and visually compelling. And there you have it. You've just replaced an image in a Pitch.com template. This straightforward process not only saves you time, but also enhances your creative freedom. Remember, images play a crucial role in delivering your message effectively, so choose ones that align well with your content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips on mastering your presentation skills with Pitch.